Hunty, honey. Come on. It's not coming together. Okay, we're back at it again. We're back at it again. We're back at it. Beautiful day, good beautiful morning. Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn your notifications as well. I am a lover of the 1920s style, the flapper style, the bourgeois style. Recently went to a flapper themed holiday party, and if I tell you how long I've been wanting to go to a flapper holiday theme party, like I've been wanting to go to a 1920s themed party for years. So I bought this dress a couple years ago for it because I'm like, one day I'm gonna go to one. And I had other dress options also, but I'm gonna show you everything. I'm not even fully dressed yet. I'm wearing a wig today. Oh my god. Redoing the look that I did for the holiday party. I already went to the party, but I figured I'd film this for you guys. I wore a wig for the first time. Scary, scary, scary. It was very difficult. I'm gonna put it back on again for you guys. I'm gonna wear a wig cap, of course. I'm also doing for this is that I have a lot of things to do today anyway. Besides showing you guys this look and everything, I have a lot of other things to do. So I will be wearing the Clinique Even Better Makeup Foundation. I bought this a couple months ago, but I wasn't really filming that much or editing that much. But now that I'm back to it, I can show you what I think about it. I haven't tried it. I don't know any. I just know it's supposed to even your skin or make your skin look healthier, right? I have pretty healthy skin, I would say, but it still doesn't hurt to try. I don't know if this is my shade. I'm praying and hoping that this is my shade. Hoping. You guys know I struggle in the shade matching department. That's not my forte. So it's a twist open. I'm over here trying to pull it, but it's a twist. And it's, oh, okay. It's a little tubey. So you press it and it just comes right out. Like it's super duper easy to get out. First I'm gonna prime, of course. And I'm using the Can't Stop, Won't Stop, Rocket Full of Records. So we get down, baby. We get down. Girls that love us. I'm gonna use this primer. Can't Stop, Won't Stop primer. I'm trying to get my primer, my eyeshadow primer, to dry faster. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm gonna go into this right over here. This is the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I love this palette. This is the look I did when I went to that party. Cause girl, I went to the party like a week ago. Also documenting this because this is something I want to have forever, because like I said, I've always wanted to go to a flapper party for so long. Going into Fuego, and this is the Urban Decay brush. The other brush I was using is an e.l.f. brush. Use whatever you want. It's not that serious. Favorite palette, the NARS Wanted palette. I'm gonna go into this color. This is the same shade that I used when I went to the party. And this was my first time using this shade. I was like, oh, okay. I like that color. I'm here for it. I always use my fingers to do my lids. It's just like a habit I developed. I know a lot of people use brushes more than I do, but I trust my fingers. And I'm putting this, my usual little middle shimmer. Oh, I almost forgot to blend. Okay, first we blend. Oh my gosh, I'm too hyped for this. Like, I'm forgetting stuff. Now to put the middle. Ho, ho, ho. Yes! Time for the foundation. So, I'm wondering if it's even my proper shade. It looks like it, right? It looks like it's my shade. How did I get this? I think I was shade matched in Sephora. My favorite Sephora is the one in Roosevelt Field Mall because they're just so sweet to me. Imani is my favorite, what do they call them? Beautician, makeup artist, whatever. She's my favorite there. She's just always amazing to me. She always helps me out, so love her. I'm just gonna try to squeeze this on my face, see if that works. Oh, okay. See, I can't really tell you how much I'm putting on. Even I don't know how much I'm putting on. I hope I like it. I don't remember if it's matte or not. Visibly brightens, restores even tone. That's it. Dermatologist developed. Oh, dermatologist developed. For dry to combination oily skin, it instantly perfects, actively improves discolorations, dark spots, and uneven skin tone with everywhere. I'm just reading this off my phone because I didn't know everything that it does. It's supposed to give a natural skin finish. We'll see about that. It doesn't say anything about whether it'll last long or not. Medium coverage. All right, we'll see. What else? Is this my shade? Let me know, because I don't know. Wait, it blends. And I think this is my shade. Yes, Lord, for the shade match, girl. MG. This is fabulous that it blends. You gotta bring it down to your neck. Prissy by Chrissy taught me that. There's a woman named Chrissy. She works at NARS. Love, love, love her. She does amazing makeup. I think right now she does Yandy makeup. Yandy from Love and Hip Hop. But she also works at NARS. And she's fabulous. She also has a jewelry line called Prissy by Chrissy. So you should check that out. But I love her because she taught me that I should always bring my makeup down to my neck. The camera died while filming, but we're here. I finished. I put on my usual Laura Mercier and ColourPop foundation as the concealer. I'm doing my little brows because you guys know I always forget the brow. Not the brows, the brow highlight. What did I used to call it? The stepsister we never really liked. So now for mascara. Let's highlight. Is it showing up? The inner corner highlight. Same one. Still this. This is the golden shade in this whole palette. Crazy. I took too much. Got too excited. Oh! She's cute. Accessorize. Had this pearl situation since I was little. Like, not little, like high school. So 10 years at least. And this one I've had for a while as well. I hope it fits underneath. Ugh, oh my gosh. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Okay. And now to put on the wig. Not here for a wig situation. Like I said, my experience was not phenomenal with wearing a wig. If I'm gonna redo a look, I have to redo it right? I have to show you exactly. Oh my gosh, it's stuck on my nail. That was scary. I have to show you exactly what I did. This is a cheap wig, by the way. I wasn't about to go spend an arm and a leg on something I'm never gonna wear again. A Kima, it's called Kima wig. It is KW102, I think. That's the thing color. The bob. I'm into bobs. I think I would need a thicker bob though. That's what I feel. I feel like this would have looked better on me if it was a thicker bob, but moment of truth. This is how it looks. I think it's a little lopsided right now. Honestly, I did not enjoy wearing this wig because it was just too much work to party in. Like, when I party, okay? I party. So it was just a lot of work, and I wasn't into the whole work aspect of making sure your wig is in place. My wig started sliding back. It was just too much. Look at this. Look at this. Wigs are not for me, okay? First and last. Wig is lifted. Bang is sweated. Look a mess. Right now it looks decent. Face got a little fatter over the last couple months. I feel like if my face was its usual size, it would look even better. That's how I feel about hair like this. I wore gloves with it. You know, I did the whole shebang. I wore a satin heel, honey. She's cute. She just needs to be thicker, but she's cute. I'm gonna wear this face throughout the day. I'm not gonna wear this look throughout the day because, like I said, I was just redoing this look to film it. But now I'm gonna wear this face throughout the day and let you know how the Clinique Even Better Foundation is wearing. Does it last long? Does it start to melt off my face? Because I have oily combination skin. And it is said to be good for oily combination skin, so we will see. Couldn't flat iron the wig because I can't find my flat iron, so I literally, well, it wasn't turning like this. It was better when I first wore it. But I literally was like, honey, hunty, honey. Come on. It's not coming together. Okay. You see this face still sitting, honey? Okay, yes, I'm driving, but I have to do this now before I still gotta fix my hair. But honey, it's 4 p.m. I put this on at 9, so it's been 7 hours. 7 hours? And you see me, not an oil mark in sight, girl. Okay, I'm driving, so give me a second. But let me tell you, not an oil mark in sight. Oh my gosh, it's dark. It's dark. It's getting dark. But can you see it? Can you see it? Oh my gosh, can you see my face? Not an oil mark in sight. Like, it's insane. It's insane. 7 hours, it's insane. I have a mint in my mouth, so excuse me. I have a lipstick stain right over here, but it's been 12 hours now. It's 9 p.m. Yes, it's been 12 hours. And look at my face. I think this is gonna be my new go-to foundation. I'm still not oily yet. Like, literally, this leaves me madder than Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm so excited. This is gonna be my go-to foundation. I really love the finish. I love it, I love it, I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna fix my hair. I'm gonna go out tonight, and I'm gonna see how it looks at the end. If I don't show you, that means I got tired and fell asleep, but at least you got the 12-hour shebang. Don't mind the lipstick stain right here, because I just can't be bothered right now. It's 2 a.m. Okay, it's been 19 hours. I'm sleepy. I didn't blot at all. I actually just came from a party sweating, and look how my face is looking. Crazy, right? Isn't this crazy? Like, this is gonna be one of my go-to foundations. Like, literally, I don't get oily fast. I look fabulous. Sorry if I'm low energy. I'm really exhausted right now. I wore this from 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. So I'm excited. This is good. Wait, 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. Is that 7? Oh gosh. I'm gonna write the proper hour somewhere. I'm really exhausted. I can't even do the math right now. But yeah, it's 2 a.m. I wore it from 9 a.m. or sometime. Whatever. Thank you so very much.